Good morning, children. Welcome to the second part of our lesson. So, today we are going to learn about what is nesting and tables. Okay, so let us see. Nested list. Nested list means nothing means a list inside another list. Okay, that means one list is placed inside the another list. Okay, next, tables. Tables means what you all already know what is a table. Table means nothing but it will be consisting of rows and columns in which our data can be given in an organized and efficient way. Okay. So there are different kinds of softwares through which we can use these tables such as OpenOffice calculations or Microsoft Excel. These all are few examples for spreadsheet software. Okay. So basically what is a table? Table, it is a grid of rows and columns. Okay, in order to enter the data. Next. So now let us see how to create a table in HTML. So in order to create a table in HTML, we will be using the table tag. Okay, see, I have shown here table tag. Tag means now what, children? A text which is enclosed between an angle bracket is what called as a tag. Okay, so if you want to create a table in HTML, you should use the table tag. Okay, and then we will be arranging the data in terms of rows and columns. Next, as this particular table tag consists of a end tag or a closing tag, it is considered as a container tag. Next, so see how to write the table or insert a table in the HTML program. I have shown here with a sample program. Sample program means nothing but a structure will be given, children. Okay, so see HTML first, as it is an root element, and then we'll be giving a head. Within the head we'll be having a title, and then the body will be starting. So I have opened this particular table tag and close the table tag, and we should close the body tag and then close the HTML tag. Clear, children? Next, table caption. Table caption means what? Table caption means nothing but title of the table. Okay, title of the table is considered as a table caption in the HTML program. Okay, so for that we should use a caption tag. Caption tag means we'll be writing a text caption and it will be enclosed between the angle brackets. Okay, so once if we have written this particular caption tag, this particular title of the table will be displayed at the top of the page. Okay, next, table row. So table row means, see, we have discussed that we can include a table, row and column, right? But while coming to the HTML table or else in the coding of the table in HTML, we won't have column table or a column tag. Okay, we'll be only having table rows, children. So what happens here? Rows will be considered in terms of columns. Okay, how many columns are there? We will be entering those many table rows. So that what happens? The data will be displayed in the correct way only. That means in a column wise only the data will be displayed. It won't be displayed in a row wise. Okay, so see, in order to create a new table row, we should use a tag called as tr. Okay, so as it will be having a closing tag tr, it is considered as a container tag. Okay, children. Next, see, I have shown here an example again. HTML, header, title, close head, body, table, tr, close table, close body, and then close HTML. So what happens? So in order to create a table, first I have given an HTML tag, I have given a head tag, within head tag I have given the title tag, After that, I have opened the body tag and then opened the table tag. Within the table tag, I have opened the table row. So once I have opened the table row, in order to insert our data, we should use a tag called as table data, which is represented as TD. Okay, you should use a TD tag in order which displays the table data. Okay, so once you open the table row, and within the table row we will be giving all the values in terms of table data, children. Okay, I'll show you all these codings and all these tags in a practical way so that you people can understand, but you should know each of them in a clear way. Okay, next. So the next concepts will be discussed in the next class, children, because it is quite confusing. I am discussing only few topics in a class. I am not telling you a huge lesson so that you people cannot understand or remember each and everything in a single day. Okay, children? Thank you. I hope you all understood today's class.